Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to compress and decompress files and folders and why it's an essential skill for managing your data efficiently. So what is compression? Compression is the process of reducing the size of files or folders by packaging them into a smaller file, called an archive. For example, a 100 megabyte folder can be compressed into a 40 megabyte zip file, saving space and making sharing faster. Why would you need compression? There are several reasons to compress files: save storage space on your computer, sharing files over email, cloud or messaging apps is faster. You can organize multiple files into one compressed folder. Some systems require compressed formats like .tar.GZ. And security: many compressed files can be password protected or encrypted. What are the most common compression formats? The most common are zip. It's universal. It's built into Windows, Mac, and Linux. RAR. It's from WinRAR. You need to buy WinRAR to use it. 7Z. It's from 7-Zip. It's free and open source, and it's highly efficient. TAR.GZ or T.GZ. It's very common in Linux and Unix systems. Now let's learn how to compress files and folders. On Windows, right-click the file or folder. Select Send to and then compress zip folder. A zip file will appear in the same location. On Mac, right-click the file or folder and select Compress File Name. A zip file is created. On Linux, you can right-click a file or folder and select Compress, or use this terminal command TAR.GZ vf archive TAR.GZ folder name. Notice how the folder icon changes when it's compressed. Now let's learn how to decompress or extract files. On Windows, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Select the folder where you want to extract the files and click Extract. On Mac, simply double-click the zip file and it will extract automatically. On Linux, you can either right-click and select Extract here or use the terminal command TAR.GZ vf archive TAR.GZ. Here's a tip: compression works best on text, documents, and code. Files that already have lots of compression like MP4, JPG, MP3 won't really shrink much. Also, always use trusted tools like 7-Zip, WinRAR, or PZip for formats beyond zip. PZip is a free and open source tool for Windows, and it can handle all the major formats including zip, RAR, 7Z, TAR, GZ, etc. And that's how you compress and decompress files and folders, saving space, sharing files faster, and keeping your data organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. You can also take our full course Master the Command Line, which teaches you everything you need to know about using the command line on Linux, MacOS, or WSL on Windows. We have practical labs for every lesson so you can practice your skills immediately. Check it out at our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.